How to fix TP-Link router no internet access. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TP-Link router no internet access. So the first thing you can do is to go ahead and check physical connections. Ensure the Ethernet cable from your modem is securely connected to the one port on the router. Confirm the power adapter is plugged in and the router is powered on. Now after that, reboot your devices. So unplug your modem and TP-Link router. Wait 30 seconds, then plug in the modem first. After the modem fully boots up, plug in the router. Now verify internet from ISP. Connect a computer directly to the modem via Ethernet. If there is still no internet, the issue may be with your ISP or internet service provider. Contact them to check for outages or account issues. Now the last option that you have is to check your router settings. So to do that, go ahead and log into the TP-Link router. So to do that, go ahead and open a browser into your PC or laptop and go to 192.168.0.1 or dplinkwifi.net. Enter your admin username and password, and then on your account, go to network and head over to WAN and check the connection type. Make sure that it matches your ISP setting. So if using PPPoE, ensure your username and password are correct. tplink.com. And that is how you can basically fix TP-Link router no internet access.